Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial. In our previous tutorial we have learned how to create a technical drawing in FreeCAD. In this tutorial we will learn how to give welding symbol to the FreeCAD drawing. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can also download my tutorial source file from here. You can also support my work by buying my free CAD crash course for beginner. It is a very basic level course for the beginner user where a beginner user can master the free CAD. And you can also support my work on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. You will get my website link and my Ko-Fi donation page link in a video description. So before giving the welding symbol we will study our model. So this is our model. We can see that these two plates assembled with these two pipe, and we wanted to give welding symbol to make a permanent connection with this pipe. We will give fillet weld from the outer side to join this plate and pipe. In FreeCAD it is not easy like other softwares, Autodesk or SolidWorks, to give the welding symbol. I hope in an upcoming version of FreeCAD it will be much easier to give the welding symbol. To give the welding symbol, first we have to create a ladder. So click on add a ladder line to the view. First select the view and then click on add a ladder line, and here you will get the customization option like a start symbol. You can use arrow, dot or a triangle field as per your choice. You can give color to your ladder, width you can specify, and type of the line like continuous, dash or dot. So I will keep the settings default. Here now you have to pick the points for your welding. So I will click on pick points, and I will select my point and create a ladder. So once you finish drawing your ladder, click on save points and say OK. Now I will move my view to the down. Now you can see that a ladder has been created which is pointing my welding. Now on the frame, and now select the ladder line and click on add welding information to the ladder line. Click on it. Here I wanted to give fillet weld, so I will click on the symbols, and from here I will select the fillet weld. I wanted to give 5 mm fillet as per my plate thickness, and I wanted to give all around welding, so I will click here all around and say OK. Now I will off my frame. Now you can see that 5 mm fillet for the all round has been created. So while creating the ladder line, make the ladder line little bit longer. So this is all about how to give the welding symbol on a FreeCAD drawing, and the same fillet weld you can give on this side and this side. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.